be going to your home page, or you're probably going into watch. What you want to come in and see is your creator dashboard. Let's head over to your profile and we'll check it out. Click on account settings. This is how you change your profile in Twitch. You just update your profile picture here. So we'll grab a new one, see what we got there. See if this big one works. This one's for Etsy. It's a JPEG, old school. Okay, we're gonna update that profile picture and banner. Let's upload a new one. 1200 by 480. We are doing this one tonight for Etsy and education. Update. No, we're good. This is where you'll put your username in, your display name, and a little bit about you. And that is how you edit your profile in Twitch for step 2.